Hi, good morning. Coming to you live from inside my truck here. Something came up on Facebook Marketplace, and I know that it's dangerous to be driving around randomly today, but I've taken some precaution. I contacted the people that are giving away the stuff that I'm going to get. And I said, I'd prefer if nobody helped me. I'll do it myself. And she was just like, no problem. We'll be inside watching from the window. Let's go get what I'm going to go get, and I'll bring you along with me. If you remember a while back, what started all of this was Sarah and I deciding not to build a brand new house. I'm going to drive by the place that we used to own, where we built a barn. Look at this. We knew that was going to happen, but the people we sold the property and the barn and everybody, they're starting to build their house. And I'm excited for them. We know that we made the right decision to buy the stone house. And a brand new house would have been amazing, I'm sure. But good for them, and I wish nothing but the best for you. I'm all loaded up. I can probably use 20% of what you see here, but I'm taking as much as I can just because, doing them a favor, they're doing me a favor. Boards on the left are what I'm most interested in. The boards in the middle are smaller, but they should be okay. The boards on the right can be probably cut down on my table saw, and I'll get some out of them. All the stuff on top, I'll just burn. This right here is the real tragedy for me. This is what I saw in the pictures. This is heart pine, tongue and groove. It matches the same floor that we took out of our kitchen. Unfortunately, all the tongues on this are broken, and it's really just not worth my time. I'll tell you, it hurts me to leave it, but I just know myself. I'll grab all this. It's gonna be weeks of work to cut it all down or try to glue it all back together. It just can't. You got to call it what it is. Unfortunately, if this was in perfect condition, I would have paid quite a bit of money for this because they're all long boards and they're just beautiful. But salvaged life right here.
Hard to know, and all these things just come and go. I've been close, and here I stand, nothing to show. I get lost looking for who I am. I miss signs you've been trying to send.
There you go. 2 or 3 hours work just to get it. It'll be hours and hours and hours of work to use it. Yeah, I have a old wood storage problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.